This is an expert who does not take the usual Superman path. Wears red panties. A young man with only 3 bungalows in his family abandoned a luxury villa. Not only are all furniture, appliances readily available, it also comes with a private swimming pool. Really expert in the folk. The first step in building a villa with grooves and the young man is all handmade by himself. Steel skeleton, steel dragon. That's a lot of the same, except here the guy uses thin steel bars instead. Arrange all the rebar dragons, then mix the mixed cement mortar. Pour it into the trench. Put the tied column template. Set it at the corresponding foundation position. Into him carefully. After 2 days of setting time for the cement mortar, the template can be removed. For the next step, surround the beams with little homemade bricks. Online device design according to drawings. To reach the required height, it fills the foundation with sand. Sprinkle water to smooth. The boy, that's done in one go. Pull up the engineering markings. Continue to pick it up with the red brick net. Don't look at the young man. He doesn't talk much and is more shy. Handy to do the work. Tireless, after all, of the motherland. A hard work and capable young man. Reserve all the windows and openings for the villa. Then start the room partition inside the device. The wall on only one floor. A full morning. In the afternoon, the wall painting and leveling work began. According to size, make every window flat, angular. Just ask if you are satisfied. The steps of pasting floor tiles arrived on the 4th day. Since the ground is relatively simple to paste, and I was painting all the rooms inside, the decoration step must be carried out for him in advance. Otherwise, it will not be fun to wait until then buckle up the. You see, it comes with its own lighting effects. It saves future lamp installation and unlimited. Put to staircase templates for the villa. Then surround the woven steel dragon around the second Place frame. The rack around. Although the sparrow is small, has all its internal every organs. Detail. It quite well. So perfect, really a master in the folk. Then we started with cement mortar, pouring the plan of the second floor. Then put a template on the second layer, pouring column with concrete. It's another 2 days air drying and solidification. Remove the column formwork. Continue to use a red brick just because of the obsession in my heart. The young man worked tirelessly. Overcome all kinds of difficulties. Even if the wife who cuts his feet kills him 800 times a day. Still serious about doing his own thing, as if I didn't see it. Saying that it has reached the 7th day. The interior. Then lay the floor tiles. The entire plane of the second floor. After a colored painting operation. Buckle him with a second roof. It's obvious here. Different from the color of the first floor. It can be seen that the young man has really put in a lot of effort. Next, use the mortars to read. And then we put the braided steel dragon in it, interspersed with a crisscrossing steel bar skeleton. Then tie the cross with thin wire. Follow with cement mortar, pouring the second floor roof. Then take a ruler, scrape along the edge of the template. In the blink of an eye, it's now day 8. Start making the roof eaves of the villa today. First, surround the perimeter with a full circle. Then give the 4 corners to build the tapered supports respectively. After a bit of work on customizing the keel, buckle him with the corresponding 8 templates. Of course, rather time and effort. We must also ensure the quality of the project. Slightly harder cement mortar, then apply it flat with a trowel. Finally, give him a special tool to outline a series of tile shapes. So the main part of the small villa has been completed. Now comes day 10. The young man began to topple the eaves of the villa, and the balcony shape of the door curtain. And here's the hard part. Fortunately, the young man is versatile and easily handles styling lines of various difficulties, and it's still close to the swinging knife in the hand. Can you tell me a young man is ingenious enough? Tile the porch entrance steps, and I would sand and plaster the exterior of the building. Then 2 more were made for the villa. Standard waistline. Smear him with white paint as a primer. Gray paint. It's also just right for decorating tiles. So this project has progressing for 12 days. Watch him grow from nothing to such luxury and grandeur. Really shouldn't give small. The guy is stingy with a free light. Put some living furniture in the room and a large 2-inch color TV so that it can be said to be the same, fully functional. Install all the wooden doors and windows. Tidy up the floor in front of the door. So now you can tell me about this little villa. Is it pretty enough? The boy spent another 3 days. They built a swimming pool. If he is a fish pond, I don't seem to have an opinion either. Anyway, in order to clean up this small villa, he put in a lot of effort. It took a total of 15 days. It's really respectable and waiting. So guys, after watching the whole video, what do you think? Okay, post your personal opinion in the comment section. Click to follow. See you next time.